Hey guys, Praveen here, and today's UI design tip is to use small illustrations like this in your articles page, in your help pages, anything that has like lots of text in them, some list or something grid like this. Just add some illustrations like this. I got these illustrations from ChatGPT. I just asked it to create some illustrations for these headings, and it did. So I downloaded it, split, and added it as a image for everything. So yeah, whenever you have a section like this, don't just leave it empty with just the text. Add illustrations like this, and it doesn't have to be very colorful because it will distract from the actual text itself. So make sure the color is tinted to whatever the gray in your design system is. So this has like a kind of like a warmer gray tones, and I asked the ChatGPT to create illustrations in the warmer gray tone, and I did. So yeah, split your content heavy websites with illustrations. Make sure it's not very colorful, and make sure it's subtle, so it goes with the page. And yeah, try it out, let me know how it goes, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.